Today, we'll be taking a look at the terminal block on this Whirlpool electric range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we must first remove this terminal cover here. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Once we take these out, you want to slide down on the plate, pull out, and set it to the side. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to our terminal block down here. Now, the main reason why you would need to replace your terminal block is if for some reason it has melted. In the field, I find that usually you'll have a power cord on here that had a weak connection and one of the legs will get melted down. If this happens, it does need to be replaced. To begin, you'll want to first take off the nuts that are holding the power cord. Each one of these nuts, if you need a socket, is a 3/8 inch. We will use our socket to take off the end ones. It is a good idea to maybe use a deep well when doing this, since you do have that screw directly in the center. We've loosened these up. Let's get them the rest of the way off. Pull out our wiring here. Then use a flat blade or a large Phillips screwdriver to take off the ground screw on the bottom. Take this out, and now finally we can remove the 2 screws on each side. This will take off the actual terminal block, and then you can set it to the side. When installing a new terminal block, what you'll want to do is install one of the screws on the block itself before you hold it up. Just kind of get it in the right place and screw it in. Then line up the other side and reinstall that one. If you have a ground portion to your plug, make sure you install that now. If not, just reinstall the ground screw. Now at this point, prior to putting any portion of your plug on, you'll want to put your actual wiring on and your first nut. So we'll install red on one side, white in the middle, and the black on the other side. Just get a nut on each one of these and tighten it up. Now at this point, if you are putting on your power cord, make sure you put your power cord on here. Make sure the terminals are correct and reinstall each of your last nuts for the cord. Make sure you tighten them up and put on your strain reliever. And now we can reinstall the terminal cover. When reinstalling your terminal cover, we will want to put all of these stakes inside the slotted spots on the oven. So put these in with them facing up. What we'll do is smack on the bottom to lift them up in place. Reinstall our 2 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.